This video is intended to help you add a works cited source to your Noodle Tools project. I'm on the dashboard of my project already, so using the top toolbar, I'll go to Sources. In order to add a new citation, I use the button Create New Citation, and I need to know where I got my information from. I know since I'm using the SIRS database that it is a database. You also need to know what your original source content was. If you don't already know that, it should appear at the top of your article. This is a newspaper, so I will select newspaper. A bunch of dialog boxes will appear, and your job is to fill out as many as you can. If you don't have access to the information, then you are to just simply skip the box. All of the information can be found at the top of your article. Name of the database is SIRS. If you start typing it in, a pop-up box will appear, and make sure that you select Issues Researcher. The URL we're going to use is an abbreviated version of the home page, and I'm actually going to just paste it there. The most recent date of access is actually today, because this is the first time I've accessed this article, so clicking this hyperlink actually fills out all the boxes for me. After that, it's simply a matter of filling in the information in the boxes. So I go to my article, and the first thing I need is the name of the author. I'm going to copy and paste that information. Next is the article title. English translation of the article's title is not necessary because it was originally written in English. The section and page numbers can be found right here. Now notice that when I select a dialog box, a pop-up box appears. This pop-up box gives you information about what information needs to be entered into the dialog box. If you notice, this says newspapers are often divided into sections. Enter the section number, letter, or title if not already part of the page number you are providing. For example, if the page is numbered A8, enter that as the page number as opposed to entering section A, page 8. So since I know mine was on page D1, I'm just going to enter it as the page number. Name of the newspaper is the Wall Street Journal. Publication city. I don't see anything that says publication city, so I'm going to skip that. And notice here it also says leave blank for a nationally published newspaper, which the Wall Street Journal is. Publication date can be found at the top as well, February 18th, 2016. Use these drop-down bars. Edition. There is no mention of an edition, so I will skip that as well. Now, the last box is this annotation box. We are not doing an annotated bibliography for this project. We are doing a works cited page. So therefore, I do not want you to fill in this box. Please do not use this box at all. Defaulted is that this source should be included in your final works cited page. Keep that selected. We will talk about what you need to do before you actually print your works cited sheet. Select Submit, and then you can find your new source right here. It was as easy as that.